Want to build a personal brand? In a world where personal branding is more important than ever, how do you stand out in the digital noise? Building a personal brand on social media isn't just about gaining followers. It's about creating a lasting impression. Here are some tips and strategies to help you build your brand online. Define your brand. Identity. Start by defining who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you unique. Choose your platforms wisely. Choose a social media platform that aligns with your goals and target audience. Create consistent content. Develop a content strategy that showcases your expertise and personality. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates. Engage with your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and participating in conversations. Collaborate with others. Partner with other influencers, brands, or thought leaders in your niche to co-create content or cross-promote each other's work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.